What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to teach you guys how to install the quick release bumper kit. I'm already installed them on the other side, so we'll see if this side is a little smoother. Getting it done. I had a couple little issues on the other side, but should be much easier. I know I'm going to have to pause it when I'm drilling through the actual steel because my drill bit sucks. So yeah, these are the things you're going to need. Some tape. Doesn't really matter. I'm using just painter's tape. You're gonna need a socket. This is a 1332. Gonna need a Allen key. Gonna need the actual quick release kit. A little bit of paint so it doesn't rust, and a pen or a marker so you can mark your location on where you're going to install them. Oh, and a drill with a drill bit that is a little bigger than that. So let's put this in this little stand. Hopefully show you guys. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, you should be able to. So first thing you want to do is get some of your tape and put it in the location on where you want to install them. You can mark them and measure them for a specific location so you know exactly where they are on the other side, but I'm not going to do that. I'm not really worried about it. So first thing you want to do is grab the first little, where the fuck this thing is, little blue thing, and just put a hole or a little dot. And then the easiest way is to grab the rubber band itself, put it on here, and pull it from as hard as you can. So I'm going to put that right about there. Okay, so those are my two markings. Maybe put that down a little bit just so it's not crazy high. So once you do that, grab your drill. Alright guys, so we're back. As you can see, both of them are drilled. You may get a tiny bit of chipping, but that's what the paint is, that's what this is supposed to protect, which there's no chipping at all on either one of them, so that's good. Second thing you're going to want to do now is get some tape and tape up around this location. So it doesn't need to be perfect. You're just pretty much protecting your paint from getting paint on it. So just, do as much as you think is necessary. You're only going to spray a tiny little bit just to prevent it from rusting and stuff, because with this, if the water hits it and the moisture and stuff like that, it's going to rust and spread. So just get a little bit of paint. It doesn't matter what kind of paint, what color paint. And then just give it a little bit. And just let that dry, and just give it a couple minutes. It's not super important for it to dry for hours and hours. As long as you get something on it, then that's all you're worried about. So Then what you're going to want to do is get your first little bumper release little thing, push it right through, grab your bolt or your nut and put that on the other side, and do the same exact thing for this one. You're gonna probably need on the plastic to fully get it through, because it's kind of a pain in the ass. But yeah, then you're gonna want to get your second one, and on this it's a pain in the ass because there's a little piece of the little fender inside of the fender. So yeah, once you have both of them on, you're gonna want to grab your socket or whatever you're using and just completely tighten it up as much as you can until it's nice and tight. So that's tight, that's tight. That one's not tight. Oh, this thing's a pain in the ass. So 1 second for me to get this on. I'm gonna have to probably pull this out a little bit. Alright, so now I got that one all tight. They're both tight, and you could either just do it straight across like so, or you can cross it up and do it like that. And yeah, so that is how you install quick release on a 2002 Mercedes-Benz C240. I will show you guys the other ones real quick. Sorry. So, there you go. Come around the other side. And you really can't see it much because the lighting, but it's right here as well. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button. Like this video. If you guys have any suggestions on other videos to do, hit me up with a comment down below, and I will take all the suggestions. So thank you guys for watching, and peace out.